morning, dear children. Welcome to the third module of chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. In this module, we are going to study about scattering of light. The interplay of light with objects around us give rise to several spectacular phenomena in nature. Blue color of the sky, color of deep sea, the reddening of sun at sunrise and sunset are some of the wonderful phenomena we are familiar with. In the previous class, that is in 9th standard, you have learned about the scattering of light by colloidal particles. The path of beam of light passing through a true solution is not visible. However, its path becomes visible through a colloidal solution where the size of the particles is relatively larger. Let us now understand some interesting facts about light. White light is composed of 7 colors, and each color is having different frequency and wavelength associated with it. The violet light is having less wavelength and red having largest wavelength. Earth's atmosphere mainly consists of gases, dust particles, water droplets and water vapor. Among gases, nitrogen is the most abundant one in the atmosphere, that is 78% of the total. Oxygen 21% and carbon dioxide along with other gases 1%. First, let us see what happens when light strikes these air molecules. It gets scattered in all directions. The scattering is a process in which air molecules absorb sunlight and re-emit it in all directions. Rayleigh's law of scattering explains this in detail. Rayleigh explains that intensity of scattered light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of wavelength of a wave, I proportional to 1 by lambda raised to 4. As the wavelength increases, scattering will be less. Intensity of scattering will be less. As the wavelength decreases, intensity of scattering will be more. The light of wavelength that represents lesser wavelength scatter the most. So, blue, indigo and violet will be scattering more. Sky appears blue, right? But the wavelength of violet is less. So why then the sky appears blue, not violet? Here we can see the graph that tells us the amount of each component of light emitted by sun. It emits more blue than violet. So the amount of blue light is more in the scattered light. So sky appears to be blue in color. Next reason is that our eye is more sensitive to blue color than violet color. This was about how gases present scatter light. Do dust particles and water droplet also scatter light? Yes, they do. However, their size is very large comparing to the size of the light waves. So, they scatter all the colors in equal amounts. So, white light entering the dust and water droplets comes out as white. This is the reason why the cloud is appearing to be white in color. So in this module we have studied the phenomenon of change in the direction of propagation of light caused by large number of molecules such as smoke, dust particles, tiny water droplets and molecules of air present in Earth's atmosphere is called scattering of light. Very fine particles scatter light of shorter wavelength, that is blue. Larger sized particles scatter light of longer wavelength, red example. Comparatively large enough particles scatter all the light in equal amount. So they will be appearing it as white in color. Thank you, dear children.